Happy Friday. So today we have a used C1 system that's available. Let me know if you guys want us to make more videos like this when we have some used equipment. It's not very common. Sometimes people are just upgrading, but once in a while we get some systems back. So if you want us to start doing videos of the used equipment that we get in and that's available, let me know and I can start doing more videos like that. So this is a 25 horsepower shredder. Up into obviously the conveyor into a 25 horsepower granulator, and from there into the C1 separator. The footage, he sent me some footage, I'm gonna put it here, is of him processing some tin coated wire, so that's why it's not bare bright. Any questions about the equipment? If you want to see it, see more or have any other questions or information, or you're interested in it, just let me know. Don't put it in the comments below. I'll put a link with our phone number and information. Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll go from there. Thank you. Happy Friday.